Alright, today we don't have a very long video, so apologize, but I wanted to at least show off some of the photos I took at 4 till 4. Me and a couple of buddies went out and took some pics, and I was just experimenting with this zoom lens. It's a 35 to 150 f2 to 2.8, which is crazy for the range, and A7 R5 body. So I took some pictures I was pretty happy with. Not a whole lot, unfortunately. You'll see here, I'll take photos and it's just kind of hit or miss, but it is what it is. The photos that I post will be actually photos that I took, and then the other ones are ones I took but just didn't edit and didn't post on here. So I hope you guys enjoy. I don't know if you guys even like these. It doesn't seem like it with the view count, so it is what it is, but I enjoy it. I do it for myself just to kind of document it, and I don't know, it's just fun. I know some of you have been wanting me to post like shorts that have like detailed information about how I shoot, like settings and whatnot. So I think I'm going to start trying to make some of those, try to make some more of my car and what, I don't know. Just try something different, I guess. I'm just trying to make content that I enjoy making, because I feel like if I start doing stuff that I don't enjoy, it's just going to become bothersome and I won't want to do it. And honestly, I'm kind of lazy, which isn't good, but oh well. So I'm trying my best. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy this a little bit and can take something away from it, but I'm just going to let you guys watch it, and until next time, if you guys don't mind, like, comment, and subscribe. But till the next one, peace. not no.
No. Just old. Oh. Look. I'm old. Good, yeah. Still alive. All good. I'm going to Germany for a month.
Oh, nice. That's exciting.
I'm going to look at some cars, maybe buy a bunch of 25-year-old Porsches with some investor. How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good, thanks. So we're looking at doing that and bringing them over here and titling them and selling them. GT2s and 3s. The 996, they're like iconic cars.
Yeah.
People don't realize.
That's
Probably the last of the iconic Porsche before it's over. So.
That's exciting. Are you gonna own one? Or just resell
I could
them?
sell mine and buy one. There's one for sale at Scottsdale, but a bunch of crooks. They want 200 grand for it. They go fuck themselves.